Hi my dear, I'm Lana. Welcome to ShakeThat channel. Summer is here and you know what that means. It's party time with Mojito. These refreshing cocktails will help you survive the hot evenings and feel the fresh breeze. And today we'll make 5 amazing types of Mojito. Let's dive in and get started. First up, we have the classic Mojito. This timeless drink is perfect for any occasion and is incredibly easy to make. What we're gonna use? White rum, simple syrup, club soda, lime, mint, and of course crushed ice. Let's do it! Place 3 lime wedges and 10 mint leaves into a rock glass and muddle it. Fill the rocks glass to the top with crushed ice. Add half an ounce of sugar syrup and 1.5 ounces of white rum. Top up with club soda and stir gently. Fill the rose glass with more crushed ice and finish with a mint sprig and a lime wedge on top. It's ready! The classic Mojito is crisp, enlivened and perfectly balanced with a sweet, tangy and minty flavor. It's like a breath of freshness and coolness. Next, we have the Royal Mojito. It's a luxurious twist on the classic with the effervescence of sparkling wine, adding an elegant touch to the refreshing mix of mint and lime. What we're gonna use? White rum, sparkling wine, simple syrup, lime juice, lime, mint, and crushed ice. We will make a cocktail in a wine glass, but first we muddle 5 mint leaves in a rocks glass, because this glass is really fragile. And then we transfer them to a wine glass. Very neat, fill the wine glass halfway with crushed ice. Pour in 1/3 of an ounce of lime juice, ¾ of an ounce of simple syrup, one and a half ounces of rum, add sparkling wine to half the volume, and stir lightly. Add some more crushed ice so that there is a little more ice than liquid. Decorate with a lime peel and a mint sprig. The Royal Mojito is bubbly, invigorating and slightly sweet with a hint of citrus. It's the perfect cocktail for a sophisticated summer party. Our third cocktail today is a ginger Mojito. Whereas one adds a spicy kick with ginger beer. I need dark rum, simple syrup, apple juice, lime juice, ginger beer, mint, ginger root, and crushed ice. Place 10 mint leaves into a highball glass and muddle it. Fill the highball glass to the top with crushed ice. Pour in half an ounce of lime juice. Half an ounce of sugar syrup. 1 ounce of apple juice. And 2 ounces of dark rum. Fill with ginger beer. Stir gently. Add a final layer of crushed ice. Garnish with a mint sprig and slices of ginger root. The ginger mojito is zesty with a spicy kick from the ginger beer and a sweet undertone from the apple juice. It's a mojito with extra zing. What's summer without berries? My favorite berries is strawberry. So let's make a strawberry mojito. I'm gonna use white rum, strawberry syrup, sparkling water, of course strawberry, mint, lime, and crushed ice. Place 10 mint leaves in highball glass. Add 3 lime wedges. Add 5 strawberries. I need 1 for decoration. And muddle it. Great scent. Fill the highball glass to the top with crushed ice. Pour in half an ounce of strawberry syrup. And 2 ounces of white rum. Finish with sparkling water. And stir softly. Fill on more crushed ice. Adorn with a mint sprig and the strawberry. Voila! The strawberry mojito is fruity, fresh and sweet with lovely minty finish. It's like summer in your glass. You can make a mojito with any berries such as raspberries, blackberries, blueberries or even grapes. And by replacing the strawberry syrup with simple syrup, you get a stunning, bright, rich cocktail. And it's time for the orange mojito, with 1 combined citrus flavors for a vibrant and revitalizing drink. I'm gonna use white rum, orange liqueur, simple syrup, sparkling water, orange, lime, mint, and of course crushed ice. Let's do it! Into a rocks glass, place 10 mint leaves, a third of orange, and 3 lime wedges. And muddle it. Fill the rocks glass to the top with crushed ice. Pour in half of an ounce of simple syrup, half of an ounce of orange liqueur, and 1.5 ounces of white rum. Top with club soda and mix gently. More crushed ice and complete with a mint sprig and 2 slices of orange. The orange mojito is vibrant, tangy and citrusy, with a sweet, minty finish. It's the perfect cocktail to brighten up your summer days. You have it! 5 fantastic mojito recipes to keep you cool all summer long. Whether you stick with the classic or try one of these delicious variations, your summer parties are sure to be a hit. Cheers to a refreshing and fun-filled summer! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cocktails recipes. Write in the comments which version of mojito you like. See you next time!